Let's make deep atmospheric techno. Let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with a kick from a sample pack. After 8 bars, let's add some offbeat hi-hats, some percussion, and let's link them to the mixer channel and add some reverb. And create a parallel channel to add some delay. And let's pan this. After another 8 bars, let's add some crashes. Some closed hi-hats. And some open hi-hats. And at the last 8 bars, let's add a clap. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. And quick note, if you use the discount code HOLIDAY on any of the sample packs on my store, you can get 15% discount during December. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Then let's create a deep techno bass line. And let's sidechain this. Now we need some long atmospheric pads. I'll sidechain this and take down the lows. And some pad fills like this. Then let's add some synths. I'll just take down the lows. Guys, if you want these serum presets, check out the link in the description. The serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now let's add some sequence sounds to make the track more atmospheric. Let's sidechain this and take down the lows. Then some chord fills. Moving on to the second half of the drop, I'll add this lead. Let's sidechain this. Take down the lows. And use LFO tool to give this a warping effect. Then some delay. Then let's add a repetitive synth as a main lead. At the last 8 bars, I'll use this pad to create an airy melody. To make the track more atmospheric, I'll use this nature ambient sample. And this tonal shot. Let's add some reverb to this. And add some delay. Since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the pads and the ambience. And after 8 bars, let's add the sequence sounds, this synth shot, and the percussion. We'll keep the build-up really minimal by just adding some risers. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.